am Camille Malibia and I'm going to discuss the solving system of equations using determinants. And this is the formula. To get the value of b, we need to cross multiply. A sub 1 times b sub 2 minus a sub 2 times b sub 1. And it is also the same how to get the value of the dx and the dy. You just need to cross multiply. And to get the SS, the solution set, x equals dx divided by d and y equals dy divided by d. For example, this is the given. 2x plus 4x equals 8. 3x plus 9x equals 12. And we need to solve it. 4 times 3 equals 12. And 2 times 9 equals 18. 12 minus 18 equals 6. X. 8 times 9 equals 72. 4 times 12 equals 48. 72 minus 48 equals 24. And last for the dy, 2 times 12 equals 24 and 8 times 3 is 24. 24 minus 24 is equals to 0.
Yung dy.
This is the solution set. X is equals to 24 divided by 6 and y equals 0 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4 and 0 divided by 6 is equals to 0.
That's
That's all.